Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have a childhood fish with me today. Why I call it childhood? Because my mom used to cook this fish when I was young. But it seems to me that it's getting harder and harder to find from the market right now. So this is, I can't remember the English name. Is it called yellow tail or something? Chinese is called 白带, 带鱼, yeah, 带鱼. So it looks a little bit like a eel, like a snake, you know, but and the body is very fleshy, yeah, the body is actually very fleshy. The meat is super sweet and also tender, especially after you pan fry. All right, but you do need to prep the fish a little bit. So how do we prep the fish? So first of all, of course, you want the seller to clean the fish for you, and especially the innards, yeah, inside here. And what you need to do is two things. Number one, get something sharp. I was actually using a small knife. Let me show you. I'm actually using a small knife like this, okay? And remember I mentioned earlier, this fish, or the body of the fish is very shiny. Try to scrape off the shiny part. You know, the shiny part is actually full of purine. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but it's always good to remove the shiny part, yeah? No need to be 100% lah, agak-agak. So after you scrub off the shiny part, what you do is you make these slits, yeah, the side slits, cut like this on the fish body. We're going to marinate it with a little bit of fine salt, yeah. And set it aside for a while, and we shall go and prepare the wok. All right, can you see some smoke coming up from the oil itself? This is the smoking point. There's some water in my spoon. Careful. Okay, then next thing, we can put in the fish. So let it fry under medium-high heat. Keep the temperature and fry for at least for about 1-2 minutes before we flip it over. So this is after the first 2 minutes. See, it doesn't stick. Of course, Appa is using a non-stick wok, but let me remind you, non-stick wok, if you use it not correctly, it will also stick, yeah, especially when frying fish. Now we can actually turn the fish around. Oh, look at the beautiful golden color. Ooh. There's some water inside the cavity, so you do have to be a bit careful. Wow. Oh, check out the color. Beautiful color. So we will give another side another about 2 minutes. Then it's almost done. We'll come back shortly. So this is after another 2 minutes. Almost done. I just want to turn one last round, just to get the nice golden brown color I'm looking for. So I give this side 30 seconds, and then I give another side 30 seconds, then it is done. Total frying time approximately 5-6 minutes. This after another 30 seconds. Oh, okay, I'm getting the color I wanted. Okay, good. Nice golden color. Wow, beautiful. Okay, nice. Right, see? I'm putting it on, I'm allowing it to rest on top of a kitchen towel here to absorb the excessive oil. Then I'll put it on the serving plate. All right, so here's my very simple, but it's really my childhood fish. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.